Hey guys, in this video I'm doing a makeup look using the Blue Moon palette from ColourPop. It's a nice palette of blues. It's like a nano? It's nano 9? It has to be nano. I don't know. I'm trying to think of a word for 9. It's not quad, it's 4. It's not trio, it's 3. The 9 palette? I don't know, whatever. It just has 9 beautiful colors in here. And I'm doing a brighter version. In the next, or in the near future, I plan to do a more wearable tutorial using this palette, as well as a darker tutorial. I just don't know what order those are going to come in. I have one planned already. I actually planned one in the process while I was filming this. Anyways, stay tuned for the look. I'm starting off with my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. This is going on the eye area, the top and bottom. Next, I'm going to take a Ben Creme color. This is sky blue. I just have them de-potted into these jars. And these are much more convenient. I need a spatula because my nails are so long. Try to go sideways here. I'm putting this on the lid only. And tear duct, actually. Doesn't have to be perfect because this is just a primer. That's it. For this look, I'm using the Blue Moon palette from ColourPop. It's a nice palette of blues, if you didn't already guess. First color I'm using, I don't know what type of blues I'm gonna go with today. I actually think I'm gonna start with my brow highlight first. This is MAC Medium Plus Mineralize Skinfinish. Using a Morphe M433. It's similar to 217 from MAC. Putting this under my brow. That's gonna make blending a lot easier later. Now, I'm taking Starry Eyed, I believe. I'm taking Starry Eyed first. That's this light blue matte right here to the left in the middle. Taking a flat brush for that. This is just a flat brush. It doesn't have a brand. This is going to my eyelid. Packing that on. As you can see, it's very nice and vibrant. To the right of that, I'm taking Fine China. It's this one in the middle, down to the bottom. Same brush, flipping it over. Going next to that. And then, on the outer V, I'm just going to take Clued In. It's the darkest blue in the palette. To the bottom right here. Using... okay, this is from Coastal Scents, let's see it. This is a BRC N08 brush. I don't even know if this is still available, but it's just a tapered blending brush that's a little smaller. Bring it into my crease a little bit, just on the outer side. I'm now taking the same brush I used for the brow highlight, the Morphe M433, and I'm taking Moonlight, which is a light matte blue at the top right. I'm taking that flat brush I used earlier and dusting it off, and I'm going in with Billie Jean. It's gonna add a nice pop of differentness. It's like this metallic grayish blue. I'm applying this to the tear duct area. Going back into my crease with the darker blue, Clued In. And then again, with the crease color. To start, I'm not adding the extra color to the brush. I'm just using what's left on there. It's a little bit patchy. I'm gonna take a little bit of that Moonlight again, which is my crease color. And I'm gonna make sure everything's blended with that color. So if I see any patches, I'm using that to fix it. For the lower lash line, I'm taking Hyacinth Eye Kohl, so dark blue, or a darker royal blue. And then to set that, I'm taking Mad About You, shimmery royal blue. And I'm taking that, I'm actually taking Lumi this time, which is a nice iridescent whitish blue. This is going in my lower tear duct, down here. Okay, I'm now taking some eyeliner. This is the Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. I can open it. Good enough for now. I'm applying some mascara to the top using some Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I'm gonna take some glitter eyeliner. This is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner. This is in Gamma Ray. It's a pretty, pretty blue. First time using this, so this is gonna go over that inner tear duct color. And it adds some extra glitter and sparkle to the inner corners. Now I'm going to apply some concealer. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 40. Sorry if I keep looking at my camera or off to the side, but I'm trying to make sure my camera's recording, because last time it stopped recording and it didn't tell me, it didn't beep or anything to tell me that my memory card was full, and I had to record that part over. I'm trying to avoid doing that this time, so I need to look. So I'm putting this at the bottom. To blend it out, I'm taking a Sedona Lace 312. These brushes are like phenomenal. I've had them for forever and they're still holding up. I've had a few to fall apart. Quite a few actually. I have my MAC Sun Power Mineralize Skinfinish. It's a darker shade. Taking my Bare Essentials angled face brush. I'm gonna bronze the hell out of my face because it's too light. I'm gonna take some highlight. This is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Shimmerista in the shade Sunlight. Can't see that. You might can see this, maybe. But it's like a nice rose gold. This is an e.l.f. fan brush that I'm using to apply it. I'm taking a lot, of course. I mean, it's highlight. Why not? And you can just see how beautifully it glows. If you think it's too much, don't believe it. And it blends beautifully, so don't worry if you do put too much. As you can see, it blends right into the skin like butter. I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush because it's a little too inward. I'm not adding any color, I'm just buffing it into my skin. There we go. I'm taking the Milani Powder Blush in Romantic Rose. I'm using this angled brush. Doesn't have a name, it's one of those cheap ones from those large brush sets. Oops, this brush might not even be good. The way it's dipping into my blush right now. Okay, it might be. For lips, I think I'm gonna use two things. The first thing I'm gonna use is the ColourPop I Love Sarah 2. Or I love Sarah 2, maybe. Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Sueño de Coco. Sueño de Coco. Taking that color. It's a nice matte nude. Oh my god. Guys, when I tell you this is the perfect nude for my skin complexion, man, it's beautiful. I can't stop looking at it. It's tricky to find a perfect nude that's not too ashy, that's not too dark, that's nude, you know. This is slightly darker than my skin and it's like perfect. I'm gonna let that sit and dry a little bit. And then on top I'm going Bare Minerals Gen Nude Lip Gloss, I think, or lip color. Lip gloss, lip. Bare Minerals Gen Nude in Savage. This is not gonna alter the color too much. And leave it just like this. Okay, actually, that's a bad idea. It just adds a little bit of darkness. Honestly, let me just tell y'all, I expected to add gloss. It did not. I haven't tried this yet. So it adds, it deepens it a little, because I mean it is darker, but the more you blend it, the more it blends in with the lip color you have on. But you can definitely wear it alone too. Oh gosh. Hope you guys enjoyed this makeup video with the Blue Moon palette from ColourPop. Gorgeous palette of colors, and of course I always love a good neon or like a bright palette. I always like a good bright palette. Next time I'm gonna do a lighter blue tutorial. Next time after that, well, not the exact next time, but like in the future, I'll say I'll do a darker blue version of this palette. Just want to do different options in case some of you have this palette and you want different looks, because there are a ton of different looks you could do with this. A ton. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will have a blog post with pictures and all the products that I used, all of my social handles down below: Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, all of those, Facebook. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and also subscribe so you get notifications of whenever I post. And if you have any requests for any looks, any tutorial, of course for any type of video, let me know below as well. I'll talk to all of you next time. Thank you for watching.